right, so we have a 2023 Prius. This is the Gen 5 Prius, and one disappointing thing is the rear cargo area. Let me show you why it's not exactly what you want. Now, here's the rear cargo area, flat floor with the seats folded. But the odd part is when I remove this stuff, get this guy out of here. Okay, look at this big chunk of styrofoam in here. See that white styrofoam? That takes up a ton of space, and it's kind of not very useful. I mean, this is just a block. So what I have over here is the spare tire, jack, and tools from a Prius V. Now, the reason that's important is because the lug pattern is 5x114.3, the same as the Gen 5 Prius. So if you were to grab the spare and tools from any other Prius, it actually wouldn't fit the new Prius unless you get the spare from the Prius V. So let's see how it fits in here. This guy drops in, and this screws right in here, just like that. This says front, so I'll point that forward. So far, so good. Let's see now. It's funny. With the spare and the tools, it's actually still a little bit lower than just those styrofoam blocks. So I've got the spare and the tools in here, and probably what I'll do is put a block of foam or something in this forward area so that it's firm. But essentially there's plenty of space for this spare and tools, so I'm going to keep that in there, and I'll put my mat back in, and then when I get around to it, I'll cut a block of foam or something to make this a little sturdier. But in the meantime, it's usable, and I have a spare in there.